everyone, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here with a quick hands-on look at the new Microsoft Surface Pro X with ARM processor inside. As you can see, the Surface Pro X is a little more rounded at the corners and at the edges than previous gen Surface devices. The device is nice and thin. The keyboard magnetically attaches like previous gen Surfaces, and you can prop it up, which also hides the stylus there at the bottom of the screen. If we rotate it around the back, you're going to see that familiar kickstand that can be positioned at multiple angles. And in the limited time that I've spent with the Surface Pro X, performance seemed pretty snappy. Wake from sleep was almost instantaneous. And input through the touch cover was solid. There was really no lag typing. The touchpad worked great. Pinch and zoom worked great. It really felt like any other Surface device, even though it's got a different processor inside. Here is just a quick look down the left side of the device. And here's a look at the right side. It's good to finally see Microsoft embracing USB-C with these latest Surface devices. And here's a quick look at what's actually inside the Surface Pro X. Here's the parts that make up the device itself and the stylus. And this is the brand new Surface Laptop 3 with AMD Ryzen processor inside. I will zoom in on the screen so you can see that right here. So this is the brand new 15-inch notebook with AMD inside with Vega graphics. This is the black color model. You can see the nice large touchpad here, the keyboard area right above. And if we rotate the machine, I will try to do this for you. You can see there's a full-size USB port and USB-C and a headphone jack on that side. It's a very sleek machine with a nice, solid, smooth-moving hinge. It's fairly easy to move it with just one hand, and it stays right in position nicely. And here on the right side, you can see the Surface Connect port, which will be used for a variety of accessories. Microsoft also revealed an Intel Ice Lake-based Surface Laptop 3. Here's a quick look at the internals of that device as well. That about wraps it up from the Microsoft event in New York City. Once again, this is Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tick that reminder bell. Thanks for stopping by.